It is being said that 1 out of 5 ladies is suffering with PCOD or related problems. It may be endometriosis, it may be hirsutism, it may be hormonal imbalance or problem in conceiving. If you are one among them, this video is for you. So, if you are serious for your problem, for the solution, take a notepad with you and be with me till the end. Before that, do not forget to subscribe the video and pressing the bell icon. That will help you to get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. That will also motivate me to serve you better. So coming to PCOD. PCOD is basically a female problem which is there because of the hormonal imbalance, mainly because of the male hormones that has been called androgens. Symptoms for PCOD or related problems are like around 50% of the females are obese, that is overweight. Some of them have a lot of acne, hirsutism, that is excessive hair there at the face, maybe at the chest or arms or legs, excessive hairs, or male pattern baldness. That is, sometimes the hairs are so less that the females are looking like bald. The problems initiated by PCOD takes you to the problems like high blood pressure, endometrial cancer, problem in conceiving. Let's discuss about the solutions. So first of all, you should go for detoxification. What kind of diet you should follow for to detoxify yourself is that should primarily involve with apples, garlic, lemons, flax seeds, corianders, etc. With that, remember every diet will help you only if you are exercising with that. So 40 to 60 minutes of exercises is a must. You can watch my playlist, my videos at YouTube. There are a lot of videos for PCOD. There is a separate playlist for PCOD and hormonal imbalance. So you can go through that for the exercises part. Other than that, while talking about diet, so these things are also important. First of all, you should limit your use of plastic in terms of utensils. Like every food or liquid what you are taking, if it is hot or cold, if you're using a plastic utensil for that, that is really very harmful. It is cancerous and it helps in cyst formation also. So please avoid plastics. One more thing, that as I told you that 50% of the females are suffering with obesity or excessive weight. So weight loss is also a must. Remember that thing, if you want to come out of PCOD or related problems, so you should maintain a healthy and balanced weight. You should not be underweight, but for sure you should not be overweight. So exercise and diet are again very necessary. With that, vegan diet. Vegan diet is why important? Because it is easy to digest and it takes you towards the detoxification also. The food you are taking, if it is not easy to digest or if it is taking too much time to get digested, it will really help in cyst formation. So always eat easily digestible food. Detoxification I already told you.
So the vegan food which should be taken, take care that that is rich with fiber like broccoli, sprouts, salads. Other than that, turmeric is very good, lettuce, berries. sweet potatoes, pumpkin, spinach, and tomatoes. What kind of edible oils we should be using? That is rich with omega 3 and it detoxifies also. That is olive oil and sunflower oil.
You should also take care of the body clock, that the timings of sleeping and waking up should be the same. Apart of that, your time of breakfast, lunch, evening snack, and dinner should be fixed. I'm not saying that you should always eat right in time, but whatever time you take your meals, that should be fixed. That will help your body, your digestive system to take care that the food you are taking, your mind is already prepared that yes, right now the food is coming. So the digestive juices will be secreted accordingly. With that, always remember that you should eat a early dinner. The gap between your sleep, the night sleep I mean, and the dinner should be at least 3 hours. So have a early dinner and do not eat anything after that. Initially you'll feel a little craving to have food, you'll feel like empty stomach. But believe you me, if you follow this rule for 3-4 weeks, it'll be very easy for you to follow after that. Still you're feeling hungry, then you can have some soups or some detox drinks that will help you getting rid of the cysts or other reproductive problems. With vegan diet, a lot of supplements like iron, zinc, chromium, vitamin D, vitamin B and vitamin B12, B6 and B12 I mean, and folates, probiotics, omega 3 fatty acids, fish, almonds, olive oil, yellow colored fruits, apples are good to eat. Herbs like cinnamon, moringa, what we say drumsticks, turmeric, holy basil, ashwagandha, mulethi, shatavari. These are excessively good for you. Fruits like blueberries, strawberries, these are specially good. And now the things you should avoid. So you should always avoid refined carbs like white bread, muffins, pastries, white flour, what we say maida, pasta, noodles, sugar. Actually, you should completely avoid the white sugar. Other than that, all sugary snacks, soft or aerated drinks, avoid processed food or red meat. So following these diet tips is a must for you, that what to eat and very important what not to eat. So if you follow diet, so only diet is not going to help you. Remember that. I always say diet and exercise takes equal amount of importance while when it comes to curing the PCOD or related disorders. So exercises, I have a lot of videos like PCOD part 1, 2 and 3. Hormonal imbalance video is there, and my video which is there to boost infertility or which helps you to conceive. So follow these exercise videos also with this diet. The link is there at the description down below, and I am providing you the I button also. So you can go and check those videos. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. Do let me know if this video is beneficial for you, or if you are finding it good, or if you have any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section. Looking forward for that. Thank you so much.